Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a billboard effect on Higgsfield AI. So in case you're wondering what the billboard effect is, this is what it looks like here. So it projects your image onto a massive billboard, and you can see various a time lapse of vehicles going forth and back and forth. So all you have to do is to upload your image in this area. So the first thing you have to do is to actually go to this website called Higgsfield AI. So Higgsfield AI allows you to create the most insane transitions and VFX effects with AI. So sign into the website and just go to the Higgsfield apps area, then select the billboard section, which is called billboard ad. So once you select it, you'll be brought to a page like this. Upload your image to this area, and then you can input a text you want here. After that, just click on generate image. This will actually cost you just 1 credit. This is if you are creating an image, but you can see this is a video. So if we switch to the video section, you can see it costs us 16 credits. Now this, you can create 2 videos using your free account. You can say I've used 50% here. So if I want to create something like this, all I have to do is to upload an image, input the text I want to, then click on generate, and my video will be generated for me. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow, guys.